You are tenacious. I do remember like in one of your interviews said that, okay, मेरे अब्बा जहाँ पे गए थे, I want to be there. Without donation, with scholarship, I'll be there. And you did that, right? How did you do that?
I think my tenacity comes from when you are part of a family where everyone is already excellent. They're at the top of their games. You know, your father has captained cricket, not just played cricket, captained the country for 10 years with one eye.
He was called Tiger.
Yes. My
He used
mother...
to walk like a tiger.
Yeah. So I'm saying that like, it was huge lineage. My mother not only became an actor, but won 2 national awards, continues to work even today, very driven, very ambitious. The both of them were. My brother, you know, I'm surrounded by people who are excellent at what they do. And that can be very daunting when you're young and you're trying to find your own feet. Like I'm sure even for you to have 2 parents who are both accomplished doctors, you're like, what should I do with my life? How should I even bother? And should I try and be excellent? Should I try and do my own thing? Should I be a musician? Should I play cricket? Should I be a doctor? Should I be an engineer? These are very difficult questions. And what you need, and what I think you found, was someone to guide you. You know, and that is what is the most important thing. Your teachers, your professors, your parents, those are the ones who help you along the way. And of course, within you, that tenacity, that sense of purpose, of what you were perhaps born to do. Not everybody has. Some people know कि मुझे dancer बनना है, मुझे artist बनना है, मुझे doctor बनना है, मुझे police person बनना है. Some people don't know. And the struggle, I think, is when you know what you are born to do, it's great. But if you're like jack of all trades, सब कुछ आता है. Not at an excellent level, but at a mediocre level, आप सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. That's when, and I was one of those people. I didn't know, and that's when my parents also told me, this is the time to focus on what it is that you are excellent at. You know, forget about all these different hobbies. Don't do 20 different things. At that age, when you're in your 10th, 11th, 12th, focus on what you are excellent at. And that's when I thought about acting also, and I thought I was interested in the arts, of course. I wanted to study history. And a lot of people said history is a dead subject. There's no money in history for sure. What will you do? You'll become a history professor at best. But that is something that I wanted to do. And I went against the grain to do that. And there was support. I think it's much easier to be tenacious when you have family and teachers who support your dreams. And that's what I think is lacking for so many people. So therefore, I think that we are very lucky sitting here on stage because we had people supporting us. And most people don't.